Okay, this is one of our favorite giveaway traditions on Twin Cities Live. We find people in our community who have furnaces that are teetering on the edge, really unreliable. But the reality is the financial burden of getting a new one is just too much.
Yeah, it's a tough spot. And that's where the team at Apollo Heating, Air, and Plumbing, that's where they come in. They help us select 3 families and give them each a brand new furnace. And the best part is no strings attached.
In today's giveaway, a Twin Cities mom nominated her son and his wife. They've spent the last year caring for their twin boys who were born at just 27 weeks. So let's see the surprise. It's so nice to see you. Thanks for taking time to chat with me.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
We love that you watch Twin Cities Live when you're working from home. For our friends at Blaze Credit Union, this is so good.
That's right.
So tell me, did you see the contest, our furnace giveaway contest? Did you know that we do these?
My husband and I needed a new furnace and air about a year and a half ago, and I told him that we need to go through Apollo because they give back to the community. So we actually purchased our furnace and air through them a year and a half ago.
Oh my gosh, I love that. So then, now it's been a very cold winter. Of course, last winter was so easy. And you had someone in your life that you thought, boy, they could really use the help. Tell me about them.
So this is my son, Ryan, and his beautiful wife, Alicia. They bought a townhouse in 2020. And when they had the townhouse inspected, the furnace somehow passed. I don't know how, because it's the original from the mid-'80s. It went out last year, and when they came out and had it fixed, they were told that if it goes again, you will need a new one.
Yeah.
I get very nervous about this furnace just because of the carbon monoxide. It's kind of scary with it being that old, and I was glad they didn't red tag it. I was nervous about that because they have been going through a lot. They had twin boys, identical twin boys. She had them at 27 weeks. Nash weighed 1 pound 8 ounces, and Jet was 1 pound 15 ounces. They were in the NICU for 3 months at Children's. These babies are they're so special to me.
Oh.
I've never been so scared in my life when all this happened, and I prayed, take me, don't take those babies, when she was having them. I thought, I've lived my life. Don't let anything happen to these babies.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Well, Dawn, now we're all crying, okay?
I'm sorry.
You are a wonderful mother.
They are.
Wonderful grandmother.
Sorry. They have such a special place in my heart. And they're getting naughty now, so it's so fun. They just started walking about 2 weeks ago, which I'm just so impressed with.
The truth is that we're giving the to Ryan and Alicia, that your nomination paid off, and they are going to get this weight off of their shoulders, and we are going to come in and install that furnace for your baby and his babies.
It's good that I got home right now. God bless you guys. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh.
Can I just hug you?
Let's hug.
Oh.
All right, here we are. We're at Ryan and Alicia's house. I got the whole team from Apollo. It's time for the big surprise. My heart beats faster when we do these things. It's very exciting. Are you guys ready for this? All right, let's get after it. Come on. Oh, who's a nice guy in there? Hello. Hi. Are you Ryan?
I am.
Are you Alicia? Hi, you guys.
Hi.
I'm Elizabeth Reese from Twin Cities Live. You do? Did you spot us? Do you?
Well, I mean, I kind of saw you guys over there, but that's all right.
Listen, I have some really fun news for you. Are you ready for this?
We're ready.
Okay, so Ryan, your mom Dawn told us that you guys have had a furnace on the fritz.
Yeah.
That you've had a lot happening with these 2 sweet babies of yours.
Oh.
And I have myself and the entire team from Apollo Furnace Heating, Air, and Plumbing. And guess what? They're giving you a brand new furnace.
Thank you. That's awesome.
That was really nice.
That's a nice surprise. Thank you.
Is this shocking, Alicia?
Well, usually she's just watching on TV and she's probably mad Ben Lieber's not here.
Okay, so what'd you see when you just took a little glance at Ryan and Alicia's furnace?
It's older than me.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. No, that baby was born in 1983, so she is 42 years old, and it's definitely needed replaced.
What happens as they get older? Are they less efficient? Are they less reliable?
Extremely inefficient. That thing, it was made at about 80%, and I bet you she's burning about 70 or under at least right now. So she's losing its capacity for sure.
So it's going to make a big difference when they get a new one in there.
Absolutely, and airflow is going to be the biggest thing.
Yeah.
Like new motors, new everything in these new furnaces makes a huge difference.
How does it feel knowing now that they're going to be taken care of and these beautiful grandbabies of yours you're not going to have to worry about them being cold?
What a relief. I thank you so much.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Well, Dawn,
And Apollo.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Apollo is amazing. We of course could never do this without you. The whole crew, the whole gang is here. Look at this.
We got our air and furnace from Apollo because they give back to the community. So this is fantastic.
This is wonderful.
I absolutely love
Yeah.
it.
Oh
Thank
my
you.
gosh. I love it. Thanks, you guys.
I mean, that's the most touching one we've ever done. I mean, everybody in the studio was in tears.
It was just so special. It was so amazing. I went in the house, I chatted, I talked to the babies, I met the dog. We really had a fantastic time. And Dawn, you know, I just feel like we're old friends. She was such a wonderful person. She also works for Blaze Credit Union.
Yeah, I saw
so
that.
when Dan Stoltz was here after I shot that, I was like, your employee Dawn is amazing. It was just so special, and
Yeah.
you could just feel like they've been through a lot. You know, those babies, they can't go into daycare when they're young because
Yeah.
they need to kind of catch up. Their lungs aren't fully developed. They're doing wonderful. Their
They
health
look
is
great.
amazing. Yeah, but it's a major commitment. You know, you've
Yeah.
got to have somebody staying home with them all the time, so it changes your financial situation. But they are the sweetest people.
Yeah.
And you know, you might need to pop over and visit Alicia.
I know, I might
Give her a
stop
little
over and just say hello. Maybe I'll just like show up with my little tool belt, just like give that new furnace a little, you know, wrench in here and
She
there.
would love that.
So Apollo Heating, Air, and Plumbing is currently offering, get this, a $59 furnace tune-up, which they say is a great way to make sure that your furnace is in tip-top shape and lasts as long as possible, because guess what, everybody? Winter's not quite over. So we have their contact information posted on TwinCitiesLive.com.
Big thanks to Apollo. You guys are amazing. Okay.